Hi there, this is Marissa and I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you today. In this spread I will be using the February's Stories collection from Rachel Etrog, and these are also some stamps from Sahin Designs. We can review, they're called. And I'm also here browsing on Pixel Scrapper. I think I will end up using some pocket cards from the August Good Life collection, August 2019, I believe. Here I am looking at those. These colors were similar to the ones that were in that kit that I wanted to use, and so I was just, I knew that. So I went and looked there and I found a couple cards I wanted to use, and now I will fill in the papers from Rachel's kit here, the February Stories. And once I have my papers filled in, I will start adding some elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.